Hi guys, Andrew Sandler here, Polo Reef. First and foremost, my first goal is to have the reefs and the animals in perfect condition and thriving.
I'm so passionate about this hobby. I go to sleep thinking about it. I wake up thinking about it. And Andrew is just an amazing person to work with because he really does want to get back to the hobby. So to me, that's a no-brainer.
I'd like to be that guy or one of those guys where the hobby gets their information from. And I'd like to give back to this hobby to make it grow. So I'll be doing plenty of speeches, opening up our place so you guys can learn. We have tons of projects coming up.
We're super excited about seeing how Polo Reef evolves as a business, as a company. But one thing I can say for sure is we are helping people. I mean, we're helping out individuals, we're helping out schools. There's kids that are maybe getting a spark from this hobby that wouldn't have because of the expansion of what we're doing in Iowa and a couple of the schools in Connecticut. The presentations are going really well. So, to me, this has been somewhat of a roller coaster, but a lot of fun so far.
My goal of Polo Reef is really about helping this hobby. Got to make sure that as we help and as the reefs thrive, that we are constantly having a good time.
So Andrew and I started the company. I mean, Andrew's been putting this thing together for almost like 8 years. But we started the company back in May, Polo Reef. A little bit about my background. I've been in corporate America for about 15 years. I was at IBM at the time. And it was a really big commitment. And getting my wife not only to say yes to all the tanks I have in the house, but now to change over my career and, essentially put together a startup on a big reef tank is something that hasn't been ever done before. So I love you, Matt, for allowing me to do that and being okay with it. But essentially what I did as I started, I was diving in the tank, doing a lot of the social media, working with Andrew, with some of the vendors and high schools and people we want to collaborate with. And my role is still a little bit of everything. I do a lot of what's going on in the back. I do a lot of what's going on in the social media. And, as we grow and who knows where this all goes, I'll be more focused on the business end with Andrew, but I'm just having a great time.
We have more exhibits for you coming later this year. We will endeavor into freshwater the correct way. And we are here for you guys.